Tell us about your tattoos, Carlos.
Okay, so I made this tattoo saying Alex and Carlos in my new language, fire language. It's exactly like every other language, except you write all the letters and make them look like they're on fire. And so I also made this chain with fire on it, and that's it.
And who copied you?
Oh, and my brother Alex, who did design.
Alex, show us
Show
us your tattoos. Your tattoos?
I'll show them.
You got lots of tattoos. Good tattoos. And Mommy got a tattoo too. See? Mommy got a nice tattoo. Woo-hoo. Alex tattoo. Pretty nice. Okay. That's our evening art project. Say bye, Dada.
Da-da-da.
Alex, say bye, Dada. Say bye, Dada. Say bye, Dada. Bye, Dada.